This is crazy. They're trying to snatch the latrate from the crocodile. Crocodile's pulling back. They're pulling as well. This is a battle.
Sebe the lioness has been struggling for food.
She's always going to be hungry because the amount of milk, that rich milk she's producing for those 5 cubs is immense. So she is on a constant lookout for a meal. Oh, alarm calling. Lions on the move. That's Sebe and one of the girls. Oh, they're moving quite fast. These lionesses, they're tuned into cues that we're not aware of. Oh, hang on. I can see there's a latrate struggling in the water. Whoa, did you see that? It's a crocodile. This is crazy. They're trying to snatch the latrate from the crocodile. Crocodile's pulling back. They're pulling as well. This is a battle. This could be dangerous for them. That is a Nile crocodile that could pull a lion in that water and kill it. What a scene. Oh, jeez. They've got it. I mean, this is one of the most craziest things I've ever witnessed. Seeing Sebe bolting into that water, snatching a meal from a crocodile. This is certainly a very substantial amount of meat. A lioness would need around about 35 kilograms per week. And when the suckling cubs, it's even more. And now she's able to produce the super high energy milk to keep their cubs going. Sebe has been so desperate for food. Times like this, you realize why the couldn't prize numbers are growing. It is because how dedicated these mothers are. They have adapted to this scavengers mode.